Hello, my name is Eva Liias, and I'm introducing you the 2-year master program of Contemporary Asian and Middle Eastern Studies at Delta Management School in University of Tartu. I am the program manager as well as lecturer for Asian business at the University of Tartu. And I've been dealing myself with Asia for over 20 years now, and it's a great chance to share my experiences and work with students in the program. Estonia is a small country in Northern Europe, oftentimes also called a new Nordic country. Estonia is built by centuries of change and layers of outside influence. It's where Baltic meets Nordic, Europe meets the East, and medieval architecture meets future technologies. Old meets new, traditions meet innovation. Today, Estonia is based on contemporary science and technology and has become one of the most entrepreneurial and advanced digital societies in the world, but also a success story of economic development in New Europe. Did you actually know that we are the country with the most unicorns per capita? The introduction of the Delta Management School is an initiative to internationalize and enhance education in economics and management. It responds to the societal demand for more entrepreneurial, innovative, experimental, and multidisciplinary approach, addressing the most challenging problems worldwide. At the Delta Management School, our mission is we are solution architects, and we aspire to help students and staff to follow and realize their dreams and ambitions by providing them with practical tools and networks. With the smart planning of our programs, we collect fresh graduates and experienced public managers, Estonian and international students together. This enriches your learning journey very much and gives you extensive contacts with public sectors around the world, but also with Estonian practitioners who are developing our digital society today. Our international students are coming from very different countries across the world. As I mentioned before, East meets West and Baltics meet Europe. So we have a very balanced group of international students in the program. Contemporary Asian and Middle Eastern Studies is a program of cross-cultural encounters. We study cross-cultural communication and cross-cultural management. We study international business, and we focus on geopolitics and geoeconomics in Asia and beyond. Therefore, the program is interesting to you if you have ever dreamed of having your own business in Asia with Asian partners, or have you ever felt puzzled about news on geopolitical issues in Asia, or maybe you felt lost in translation in cross-cultural communication. Studying in the program provides you with different tools to deeper understand the regions, global affairs in international politics, international business dynamics, and cross-cultural communication issues. This program is designed for bachelor degree holders in economics and business, political science, international relations, and cultural studies and sociology, as well as area studies. If you are aiming to advance your career in areas where knowledge of contemporary Asian geopolitics, geoeconomics, and culture is useful. So if you feel passionate about these topics, you are warmly welcome. It's a 2-year program. We have courses in fall and spring semesters. The program is in English language, and you also have the chance to study abroad for 1 or 2 semesters. And in the program, you also learn languages of the region. I want to talk about the content of the program and how the program is structured. So what kind of skills do you need to understand international relations in Asia? Or what kind of skills do you need for business with Asian countries? The base module gives you the background of culture, societies, international law and international relations, and economic development of the region. Due to the social science focus of the program, we also care about that you are able to work scientifically. Therefore, we have a range of courses in methodology which support you during the writing process of your master thesis. In the program, we also have an internship which provides you with networks and hands-on experience for your future career. You can do your internship in companies, NGOs, in the public sector, or even have your own projects. And we also teach languages in the program. We also have an elective courses module where you can choose your own specialization, depending on your own interests and what you feel passionate about. We have courses which focus on business and economy. We have courses on international relations and courses on culture and societies. And in the end, you will have to write a master thesis. The program is interdisciplinary. We gather experience and expertise in political science, international business, and cultural studies. We also closely work together with guest lecturers from all over the world. And we collaborate in Tartu with different institutes focusing on political science, culture, and religious studies. We collaborate with the Asia Center at the University of Tartu as well. There are many international projects and networks which are available for students through the Asia Center. Also, the Asia Center is offering internship opportunities for students. So if someone is interested in, for example, organizing conferences or working on publications, an internship at the Asia Center would be one of the options. Also important to mention is that the Asia Center offers scholarships for successful master theses. Tartu is home for many startups and has a vibrant ecosystem with many companies which are of interest for students as well as for graduates. Delta Management School is located at the University of Tartu Delta Center. This center brings together a vibrant community of students, researchers and innovators in the field of management and business, economics, computer science, robotics, technology, mathematics and statistics. We are surrounded by the offices and research and development centers of many startup and technology companies, for example, Bolt, Pipedrive, Nortal, Playtech, just to mention a few. You can learn about these companies during your studies and meet up with them, perhaps also find a job there later. During your studies, you can establish networks for your future career. Another option is that you establish, for example, your own company, or you move to the public sector or an NGO, or you just continue at the university in one of the PhD programs. There are many events in Tartu and Delta Management School. For example, as a student, you can be involved in international event organization. We have been taking lead and also organizing the most startup-minded business festival in the Baltics, the annual Startup Day. And you can help us organizing the event. And while you are studying here, you can start with simple tasks and advance to international communication and organizing specific side events for this event. We are also organizing the Delta Trends Day, which is an international online event with many interesting discussions and insights from opinion leaders, academics, and practitioners. As a student, you can join the preparation of the Delta Trends Day and also gather experience for your future in event organization. We empower your dreams. The University of Tartu has a long history of about 400 years. The Delta Management School is relatively young, but we combine traditions with innovation. We bring together different people and stakeholders from different areas. If you feel passion about Asia, about topics of cross-cultural management, about geopolitics in Asia, we warmly welcome you at Delta Management School and looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you very much.